In today's video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube recap not showing on your account. Let's get started. First, make sure your YouTube app is fully up to date. Open the App Store, search for YouTube, and tap Update if you see the option. Updating the app is one of the most common fixes, so try this step first. If the app still doesn't show your recap, the next thing you should do is check it on the website. Open your browser and go to youtube.com/recap and see if your recap appears there instead. Sometimes it loads on the website before it appears in the mobile app. And again, if it's still missing, it's most likely because the feature hasn't fully rolled out to your account yet. Give it a little more time and it should appear soon. And that's it. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.